How to change the text messages notification sound on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, scroll down, then tap on Text Tone. In the list here, select a sound that you would like to use. Now, as soon as you tap on a sound, it will play, so you can have a preview of what the sounds like. We could slide, welcome, and if you tap on the classic, it will show you another subcategory which have more sounds for you to select. So in here, select a sound that you would like to use. The note sound is the default sound come with your device. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.